Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our well-being: PPF foods that lower blood pressure. If you or someone you know is looking to manage blood pressure levels naturally, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore some tasty options that can make a real difference. Our first superhero on the list is dark leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. Packed with potassium, these greens help your body balance sodium levels, ultimately supporting lower blood pressure. But wait, there's more. Stay tuned for a mouth-watering recipe featuring these leafy wonders. Before we move on, let's whip up a quick and delicious green power smoothie. Grab your blender and join me in making a nutrient-packed smoothie that your taste buds and blood pressure will thank you for. Berries aren't just a delightful treat. They also play a role in promoting heart health. The magic lies in their rich content of antioxidants, which help relax blood vessels. Stick around to discover a berrylicious snack idea that's not only tasty, but also beneficial for your blood pressure. Get ready to indulge in a berry bliss parfait that combines the goodness of berries with a few other ingredients to create a delightful and heart-healthy treat. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. Time to dive into the sea of heart-healthy fats with fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to lower blood pressure levels. Stick around for a quick and easy fish dish that'll make you fall in love with these omega-3 powerhouses. Feature PTT, grilled lemon garlic salmon. Get ready to fire up the grill as we prepare a mouth-watering grilled lemon garlic salmon that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also supports a healthier heart. And there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of foods that can naturally lower blood pressure. Remember, these are just a few examples, so feel free to explore and find what works best for you. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.